passing. I think that it's time that I finally quit messing around.
Hiya. Right, I've just bought myself, I've took it out of the foam thingy because obviously I haven't got enough room, but I've just bought a chessboard and I've got a whole chess set from, these are from Let's Resin. This is another chess set that I bought off the internet. They're exactly the same. So I don't know, maybe Let's Resin buy them and then sell them on, I don't know. I have bought 2 of these, but the only problem is if you get one of the, say they're pawns, I think that's what they're called, and put them in, oh, they're going to sit there, they're all right. Get the horse, put it in, and it will fall straight through. You got the castle, that will sit in. That will sit in. You got the bishop. That, to a certain degree, will sit in. It's still a bit loose, but the horses, they will not sit in and stay. They fall straight through. You put a bit of weight on that, bang, it's going to go. So I'm going to have to think. Sorry, I don't know if you saw that because I've just moved all my blinking camera again. I'm useless because I'm watching what my hand's doing. See, it's straight through. So I'm going to find a way of blocking this hole up a little bit. And then I'll have to squeeze that in a bit more. It won't be too much of a squeeze because they go straight in, look. So, yeah. So I'm going to have to find a way of blocking up 2 of these little holes because I think the rest might sit all right, I hope. And I'm going to do it in red. Ooh, this is what I got off of Temu. And then I'm going to do my Resin Pro Neon Yellow. And around the outside you can see there is a white line. So what I'm going to do is fill these up with the red and the yellow, let that cure, and then I'm going to cover the whole lot with white. So then actually no, I won't. Yes, I will. I'm going to cover the whole lot with white, so then that will be straight down the sides and all in between the colours as well, and then it will be done and dusted. What I've done, is I've got some acetate. I've drawn around the circle and I've cut out roughly bits in the middle. I will end up tweaking this because it's hard to get it in now. So I suppose each time I do them, this will come off because it's not on there. It's just on there with a bit of sellotape. But I've done it with all 4 holes. So once I could get to do that bit, I'll be able to use these. It's a shame that they're not stackable. Make it a lot easier if they were stackable. I suppose you could stack them very carefully. Like, oops, sorry, dragging you down. Like that. But you literally would have to be very, very careful. I think you'd have to glue them together to get them stacked like that. So, yeah. So these are a good idea. It's just a shame about the fact that the holes aren't no good in that respect. Anyway, I'm going to mix some resin up. I'm not going to mix up too much because all I'm going to do is 1 lot of them. I won't do these until last. So I'll be back once I've done my resin. Okay, I've made 150 up. I don't think I'm going to need it all. I'm going to just clean this off. basically I'm just going to fill up. Oh, go away. I'm going to fill up every other square. So I'm just going to put a little bit in so you can sort of move around a bit. And then I use my dotting tool to spread it. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Get in there. So I'll do that, and then I'm just going to use my dotting tool, make sure it gets up in the corners and along the edge. And this is what I'll do to all of them. Make sure there's no bubbles. Okay, that's all done. I have put fingerprints in it, so I'll have to clean that once I've it's all dry. Right, so I'm going to make up a bit of resin. So this, remember, it took 75. So I'll be back once I've mixed that up. When it comes to this, excuse me, frog in a throat, it's quite clumpy. So I need to put some in there with a bit of alcohol and make it into like a paste, and then pour it into my resin. Okay, I've mixed up my resin. Oh, excuse me, all fingers and thumbs for some reason. Right, so I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol in there, and then I'm going to tip some yellow into that. I think that will be enough. I've put it on here so I can move it, and hopefully take that out and start pouring into all the little squares. It doesn't matter if I go over in a sense, because the red's dry now, but I don't want it to go too crazy because I've got to put the white on, and I don't want it all over the place. Oops, wrong way, that way. Okay, that's what it's looking so far. Okay. Sorry, I keep moving the camera because I'm trying to see what I'm doing around it. So I'm going to carry on until I fill them up. So I'm putting the lid on. Oh, how is it not going on? Or is it? Yes, it is. Now with this, apparently you've got to do it up really tight. So that's one. Right, I'll be back once I've done them all. Okay, so you put that on, and all that does is clip on. Okay, and then down here, I've got to work out how to there, turn it on. Oh my god! Right, finally worked out. I had to fiddle around with this at the back here to open it. I had, luckily, I had this up the top, which meant it was open.
so I've had to push it down. That's shut. Open is right up here. So when you go to take the pressure out, I think you just open it up again. I think, slowly. We'll find out when it comes to it. It's up to nearly the 60 psi, which is what it's meant to be. So that now has got to sit in there. I don't know how long. I will probably leave it until tomorrow, and then I'll get them out and I'll put the next lot in. So I shall see you tomorrow. See you soon. I pulled these out. I've put the yellow ones in. I've got an old bit of cork and I've stuck everything sticky side down, sticky side up, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to cut round them. Right, this is my last one. So all I've done is I've stuck the cork on. I make sure it's good and stuck. And then with a sharp blade, I'm just basically cutting off the excess. And I'm trying to do it so you can see. Just basically slicing it all off and slicing it away. That is all my bits with the cork on the bottom, and there's my board. Ooh, come back. Right, if you enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. It doesn't cost you a penny and it really helps my channel out. I need it to grow. I need it to grow a little bit. It's like gone stagnant again. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. It means the world to me. Hit the notification bell. Excuse my teeth. Put them in. Hit the notification bell and then you'll know I've uploaded. Share it if you think somebody else would like to see this. Please do share. And I know there's another one and I always forget what it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, bell, comment and share. Comment, that's the one. Oh, I've got to go. I've got to call. Bye.